Welcome back to another awesome video on the Online Way Media channel. Today I've got something super cool to share with you all that's gonna blow your minds. We are diving into the world of crypto and I'm going to show you a legit way to claim free cryptocurrency Litecoin every hour. Now I know what you are thinking, free Litecoin every hour. Is this some kind of joke? Well my friend, let me assure you that it is absolutely real. And we are about to explore this mind-blowing opportunity together. So make sure you stick around till the end of this video because trust me, you will not like to miss the golden opportunity. Alright, let's get straight into this. Have you ever heard of a website called Litepick.io? If not, listen up because this platform is about to change the game for all crypto addicts out there. Litepick.io is a super cool innovative website that allows you to claim free Litecoin cryptocurrency every hour. Guys, before you get started in this platform, you have to sign up. You can sign up using the link I will drop, or you go to your browser and search for Litepick.io. The signing up is free and it is also simple. So after signing up, you have to verify your email. As you can see, my own email is verified. After resetting your account, you'll be in the stone level where your NS will be 0.0000250 Litecoin. So guys, if you are consistent in this platform, your level will be increasing. You will be in the iron level where you'll be claiming 0.0000500 Litecoin every hour. The more consistent you are, the more your level will be increasing. The last level there is the master level where you will be earning 0.02 Litecoin every hour. This is a good amount of money. So for you to be able to claim your 0.000250 Litecoin LOTs, you have to verify that you're not a robot. When you verify that you're not a robot, you have to press this claim button. So watch closely and see if my earnings will increase. So guys, this platform requires consistency. You need to be consistent for your level to increase. So as you can see, my earnings have increased. So you have to wait for this timer to complete for you to claim another Litecoin. That's how it is done. Let me go to my withdrawal record and show you that I made withdrawal last month. I've not been consistent in this platform yet. That's why my earnings is 0.0001 Litecoin. So let me go to my withdrawal record. I made withdrawal last month around 26th of July. I withdrawn 0.06 Litecoin and it was successful. I received this amount in my KuCoin wallet. So guys, after making profit in this platform, let me show you how you can withdraw your earnings. You have to go to your KuCoin or Binance or even Trust Wallet or any other platform you want to transfer it into. But in this video, I'll be using my KuCoin. You need to go to deposit so that you can be able to copy your Litecoin wallet address so that you can withdraw from Litepick to your KuCoin, because I'll be using KuCoin now. You have to choose Litecoin and the network will be Litecoin also. Please, the network is very, very important so that your funds will not lose. So I have to choose network, that's Litecoin network. So after that, I have to copy this my wallet address now and go to my Litepick and make the withdrawal. Let me go there. So you have to pay this. Listen, the minimum amount that you can withdraw is 0.005 Litecoin. That's the minimum amount that you can withdraw. And their transaction fee is 0.0001 Litecoin. After that, you verify that you're not a robot. And I'm sure within 5 minutes, this same amount will arrive in your KuCoin wallet. There are other ways that you can make money in this platform by answering surveys. There are a lot of surveys in this platform. When you register new, you will see the listed surveys for you to answer and earn more money in this platform. But I don't have surveys for the moment now. But when I started new, I answered those surveys and I didn't get them right. I don't know if this surveys is based on your region or location, because where I'm residing in West Africa now, this surveys is not really working. I'm not a financial advisor. This is strictly my opinion concerning these surveys because they didn't work for me. I don't know if it will work for you, depending on your location or country. But let me show you another way that you can make money in this platform, that you can increase your level. You can go to games. There are several games available in this Litepick.io website that you can play to increase your level. When you get these games right, your level will increase. That's how it is done in this platform. Okay, before I close, let me go to Trust Wallet. Trust Pilots. Let us see what others are saying concerning this platform. Okay guys, I'm in Trust Pilot now. I want to search for this particular website, that's Litepick. You want to know what other users are saying concerning this particular website so that you know if this platform is legit or not. So you guys know that Trustpilot is a website or platform where people review an application or company. So let's check out. Okay, this particular website has 4.7 star review in Trustpilot. Let me take a look at this review. Litepick.io is 100% legit. I just cashed out today and received my payment. Thanks for creating this site, but I wish you had more ways to earn like short link and ads. Have you seen it? Let me go back to this particular platform. So for you to be able to make money in this platform, if you want to be consistent, you should set an alarm. Set an alarm every hour so that you will not miss your free Litecoin. I hope you enjoyed this awesome guide to claiming free Litecoin every hour on Litepick.io. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Online Way Media channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our amazing content. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.